Rhinelander's Hannah Miller was murdered last summer. Christopher Anderson was charged with the murder after evading law enforcement for weeks. Anderson is awaiting a jury trial later this summer, but today he appeared in Oneida County Court for a motion hearing. Christopher Anderson walked into an Oneida County courtroom this morning alongside his attorney.
We will go on the record in 21 CF 200, State of Wisconsin versus Christopher Anderson.
The main topic of today's motion hearing was whether Hannah Miller's text messages can be used as evidence in the trial. Judge Michael Bloom read many of the texts out loud today.
The defendant had attempted to stab her, had taken her phone and pretended to flush it in the toilet, and how the defendant said that if she didn't stop talking back, she would really be crying or possibly dead. That the defendant had forced her to have sex against her will. That the defendant put a gun to the victim's head, forced her to sit on her knees on the ground for an hour.
Miller's text messages fall under the definition of hearsay evidence, which is not often allowed in a trial. The texts are hearsay because Miller is not alive and cannot appear in a trial to face the scrutiny of the jury. However, Anderson is accused of killing Miller, therefore making Miller unable to appear in front of the jury. This situation is an exception. Judge Michael Bloom granted that exception, so Hannah Miller's text messages will be permissible evidence.
The evidence establishes that over a number of years, the victim was abused, terrorized, controlled by the defendant.
The trial is set to start this August.
That's all for today, and we're adjourned.
Another motion hearing is set for May 19th. Reporting for Newswatch 12 in Rhinelander, I'm Morgan Johnson.